This car is a little bit close in front of you. Hello guys, I am again with Dr. Nadia. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much.
Okay, so you are going G test.
Yes.
Okay, you're ready?
Yes.
So it's gonna be mock test, but I will tell your mistake right away.
Okay, got it.
Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Please guys, subscribe and like our videos, please. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So you look at the other side.
Okay.
1 point. You look both sides. Good. Turn left. The weather is good, but so cold.
Yeah.
Good observation and good turning. Yeah. Good. You look at it. At the traffic light, turn right. Brake is a little bit harsh, 1 point,
Okay.
but you should stop completely. That's good. You turn on time. That's good. Expressway westbound. You check blind spot, 1 time is enough. You're a little bit fast here, a little bit. Yeah. You check blind spot here, that's good. This car is a little bit close in front of you. At this time, 100 is not important.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah. Change your lane to left, come back to right when it is safe. Change in lane was good, speed was good. When you look this side, that's good. But this is emerging lane, right? Exit. Exit was good. At the traffic light, turn left. Stopping is good. You look mirror, that's good. Good job, you look both sides. That's not good. No. So you messed up now.
Oh my god.
Left
So it
at
should
the
not
left.
be recorded.
Yes. So that is good. I'm gonna put this one. That's a little bit fast. Left. Around 20 is good. Expressway East. Good. Good job. Change your lane to left, come back to right when it is safe. That one is a little bit sharp. Yeah. Slightly. Yeah. That one is good. The first one was sharp. Yeah. Let's do one more time. Change your lane to left, come back to right when it is safe. Good. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Exit. At the traffic light, turn left. Good. Second traffic light, turn left. So you can look at the rear mirror.
Mm-hmm.
1 point.
So straight, right?
Yeah. Second traffic
Second
light,
traffic light.
turn left. Yeah.
Take it right.
Left. This guy is passing at the red. Good. At the light, turn right. Good. Everything was good. Turn right. Next to this car, yeah. Good. Left. Park left. Okay, we are done. So what do you think?
I think I did 2 blunders, right?
Yes, yeah, yeah. So
Speed
one
it
is, yeah, one is for the car was close.
Close, yeah.
The second one actually is yellow. Yeah,
Yeah, so need to stop.
yeah, yellow because it's easy to, I mean, it's safe to stop. Yeah.
Safe to stop.
The other thing was good. Change in line was good. A little bit sharp.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay, good. Anything else?
We need to do it again.
Do it again. Okay. So we are doing again. Okay, I'm gonna finish the video. Then I'm gonna do it now. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos. So before you, I was teaching the lady. She was watching my old videos. I said, "Can I check? Did you subscribe?" And she was she didn't subscribe.
Really?
Yes. And I give him homework. You have to find me 5 subscribers.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. If you don't subscribe, we don't get benefit from
Yeah,
YouTube.
exactly.
Please. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.